of the sphenoid bone. What connects these bones in the face? What is the connection?
If we open this guy up, this is where it gets really wild. So most people haven't seen like the bottom of the inside of their skull, right? And I haven't either. But so look at here. This is all sphenoid. Okay, you got pineal and cribriform plate right here. Okay, so what we're trying to do is push the cerebral spinal fluid up through that spinal ventricle, like the actual ventricles within the brain, to get that fluid flowing to start flushing a lot of the toxins from a neural brain standpoint. Okay, that's one thing. But it actually changing the position of the sphenoid here is going to affect all the bones attached to it. Okay, and this plate right here, this is where that fascia I was talking about anchors itself. Okay, so that meningeal dura fascia anchors itself right in the front here, and you can see how close that is to that actual nasal bone here, and then it wraps around the brain and it comes right down to the spinal cord.
Wow.
Okay, so that makes total sense, doesn't it? Like if we were going to release tension in the body from a most fundamental way, most center point of the body, it's going to be right here because that's where it's anchored. That's where it starts, wraps around the brain, goes down the spinal cord, connects to the rest of the body, right? So this is where that air passes through your nose and then rubs right across this plate here to basically hyperionize the oxygen, right, in the cerebral spinal fluid. So it's very fascinating, this bone. This is a very, like I said, it's a very ancient, very fascinating bone. To me, this is like the keystone of like consciousness.